I basically, I literally just got back from school, and I saw that Wolf and Waves sent me something. And if you guys don't know who Wolf and Waves is, I made multiple videos in the past with them. If you guys don't know who Wolf and Waves are they're basically like a company that basically makes products that help waivers with wolfing and different things like that. And they're really trying to aim more towards what I would think more the wolfing side of, waves. I honestly don't know what this is. I literally just got back from school. They didn't send me anything. You guys are basically getting my first impression. So you guys don't know how we open packages on this channel. So let's go ahead and see what the heck Wolf and Waves sent me. Alright, so I basically looked it up. I looked it up on my phone and I was like, you know what, I gotta do some research on this because, I ain't never, seen them come out with a do-rag, and I went on their website and, I saw it. They call this basically their WolfRag. I think it's called like the Belair WolfRag, but it has double layers apparently. I guess you could say like it's like you're wearing two do-rags, but at the same time you're only wearing one. So it has two different layers. So there's one layer, which is this layer right here, and it's like our do-rag, and then another layer which adds more of the style, the do-rag, which is the top layer, and it adds more of that double compression, but it's all in one rag, and it has some weight to it. It has some weight to it rather than your normal rag. I don't know. I don't know. We're basically gonna go ahead, put this do-rag on. Of course, I gotta get in like a little session, but I won't make it too long. I'm low-key kind of curious. I've never had like a double compression do-rag, I guess, but let's go ahead and let's get into this brush session and then getting on to putting on this do-rag. Alright, so I haven't really got a session in today. I pretty much just woke up, got ready, and I had to hurry up and start cutting hair. I was like, I'm gonna get a session in. I didn't know it was gonna be this late. It's like 6 o'clock. So let's stop wasting time. Let's get into it. Striving for perfect connections. I'm telling you guys, hard. It is hard. Y'all came to see about this do-rag, so let's go ahead and put this on. I know you guys gonna ask. Come on, Woods, we want the first impressions. Guys, honestly, I like how it doesn't like turn like inside. Like some do-rags, like they turn inside really bad. This one really doesn't do that. You get like the traditional flat. One thing I don't like is that the strings is like, I don't know. Hold on, let me double check. Like, yeah, see like guys how like the strings are like way longer than the flat. Not way longer, but I don't feel like, in my personal opinion, strings should be that long. At least like halfway. But one thing I also didn't like is, actually let me take it off. Come on Wolf Waves. Come on Wolf and Waves. What is this? Like, we're not, us waivers, we flip it inside out, so then we don't get this line on our head. if we're gonna be completely honest, I don't even know if people get lines on their head. It was just kind of like when I came into the wave game, it was just like this infinite rule. Like, it was just like this rule automatically. Like, you always turn your do-rag inside out, so the thing is on the outside. And so I guess I started doing it. But when they said, you know, at least a line going down the middle, honestly, I don't know. I don't know if it does. So I guess I'm gonna find out while I'm reviewing. I'm kind of gonna sleep with this, wear this, you know, for a couple days. Really, you know, check out the do-rag, see the quality in the do-rag. But we're gonna see if it works. If you know the WolfRag, you know, works. And you know what? We're gonna see if my hair is more laid than it would, you know, with the regular do-rag. So I guess I'll just be back in like a couple days.
3 days later.
Alright, so it's been about like 2-3 days, and I've been using this every single night, every single time I go out, or every single time I basically just rag up. And you know what? I finally come to a conclusion of basically what I think about this do-rag. When it comes to the style and everything like that, I'm digging the style. I feel like it is a dope do-rag. When somebody looks at it, they're gonna be like, yo, that's dope. You know, they're gonna be like, probably where you got that from and different things like that. I feel like it's a dope do-rag, but especially when it comes to double compression, sometimes you look silly, you know, wearing 2 do-rags. So I feel like this is a dope idea. I feel like it's a dope invention. Now, when it comes to, you know, actually the compression part, is I know you guys are probably wondering,
does it have good compression? Does it really compress your hair? Does it really do all these things?
I would go ahead and say, yes, it does. It has great compression and this and that. Now, the one thing, the very one thing that I told you guys that I was like, I'm not really sure if this do-rag gonna work out, is this on the inside. Look, Wolf and Waves, if you guys watching this, we gotta get this fixed. Look, now I finally figured out what us wavers, we turn our do-rags inside out. And I'm gonna tell you guys now, don't ever wear your do-rag with this part down on your head. And I'm gonna tell you why. You're automatically gonna get a line going across your head. That's normal and natural when you're wearing a do-rag. It's just gonna happen. It's gonna go away. But I'm telling y'all now, the line that goes down your head, man, I'm telling y'all, I had a cross on my forehead. It was going this way and this way, and I wasn't digging it. You know, I love Jesus, this and that, but I'm telling y'all, like it's going down and it was hurting. It hurt. Like I remember I woke up. And I literally, the first day, I was like, I don't think I want to keep putting this do-rag on. But I mean, if they got rid of this, it'd be dope. So I know you guys are probably going to be wondering, like, yo, like, should I buy this do-rag or should I not? And, I don't know.
What?
Okay, to be honest, if you guys, it's really up to you guys. If you guys can withstand this right here going down in your forehead and everything like that, I'd say get it. It's definitely still a dope do-rag. You know, I like the style, everything. The compression's great on it. Everything is cool. It is cool. But the only thing I don't like is right here. And I probably will not wear this do-rag because of it. But if Wolf and Waves, they do ended up fixing this, if they fix this, and they send me another one, and I'll review that one too, and I'll let you guys know, okay? But if Wolf and Wave, we gotta change this. This is no. This is pretty much the end of the review. That's all I really had to say. Everything else that I said in the beginning is all the same. It's still a dope do-rag. Didn't tear, didn't do any of that. Still good quality do-rag. It's just this part where you put on your head is just no. But hey, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video. Why don't you like the video if you like the video? Go drop a comment down below because you guys remember you guys comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe because we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah.